This is the V-LOG autofocus speed +5, sensitivity is at regular 0. I'm shooting with the oval shape. How good is the autofocus with the oval? Or let me go to the one area. Let me go to one area only. Human, one area is better. How good is the one area? The good thing is that you can change while you are vlogging. Okay. Or let me just turn on the human detection in one area, and yeah, finally my face is in the box. One area, human detection on, shooting V-LOG, autofocus speed +5, sensitivity -0. I'm shooting V-LOG. You need to be the judge how good is the autofocus. I'm going to do some color grading. Autofocus speed +5, sensitivity +0. I don't know where I have to go, to be honest with you. I have to take a bus. Let me see from the map. I think so I'm on the right way. Okay. Shooting V-LOG, one area only with human detection on. So you need to be the judge how good is the autofocus shooting in V-LOG. To me it seems quite nice. Let me go to 1+ area, human detection on. Now I'm in the 1+ area, human detection on. Yes, this is the 1+ area, human detection on. How is the 1+ area? This is the 1+ area, human detection on. How it is? Let me take a quick photo. Okay, I think that's better. 1+ area, human detection on. Let me just turn off the human detection. So now the human detection is off. I'm shooting in V-LOG. Yeah, I will be just doing color grading in Filmora. Now is the zone with the oval on my face. Zone with the oval on my face. Now is the zone with the horizontal line on my face. Zone, horizontal line on my face. Okay, now is the zone, horizontal line on my face. I think I need to get that better. And now let me jump to the, now is a 225 area. This is the basically the AI computer will try to figure it out, which seems like okay. The computer will figure it out by itself. Also I'm using electronic VR. Again, this is a 225 area. Can you figure out? No. Now is the tracking. Now is it tracking? Let me see. So yeah, the tracking is locked on my eyes. How good is tracking? Again the autofocus speed +5, sensitivity -0. Now let me jump to the final, the human and animal detection, the AF mode. Basically detect everything is by itself. Okay, now how it is, I hope so it's good. Let me just show you around. Like coming here it can be a little bit hassle. For example, let me just zoom in, zoom out. I'm just trying to find the road, or like zoom in again, zoom out.